Hey you guys, my husband is almost home. I am going to make rice and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So, the first thing you're going to need to make rice is rice cooker. I got this rice cooker from a secondhand shop for $13. So, next thing you gotta do is you open it up and you have a nice little bowl. It has little measuring symbols on the inside. Half of it's in English and the other half's in Japanese, but that doesn't matter. The next thing you need is rice. And take this rice, you're gonna fill it up in this bowl up to like 1.5. That's all you need for 2 people. No more, no less. Get up there. I think that's about good. So you can kind of see here, the rice is in the bowl. And I was lying to you. You do not fill it up to 1.5. You actually fill it up right below 0.5. So now that that step is done, you need to take your bag of rice and you need to skillfully throw it back into the cabinet, like so. So next thing we have to do is we're gonna walk our rice over to the sink. And we're gonna put it into a sink and make sure that the sink still has dirty dishes in there. Let's go ahead and put some water in here. I've already washed my hands before starting the video. Make sure you swish your fingers around in there a little bit. We have to massage the rice. Massage the rice. Usually I just stand here and do this for like a minute or 2. So, how was your day? Oh, mine was fine. I didn't do much today. I drew some pictures with my iPad. I spent the morning with my husband. He didn't have to go in until noon. Did I do laundry? I did not do laundry. I was about to lie to you again. I contemplated what makes me special, and I took a personality test online to see if they could answer questions I have about my life and who I am. So now that we've massaged the rice a little bit, what we need to do now is we need to pour out the rice water. As you can see here, it's very murky and white, so this is rice water. So we're going to pour out the rice water, but be careful, don't pour it out too fast because you might lose some of the rice in the stream. Let's put some more water in there and then pour it out again. All right, one more time. Okay, and then pour that out. And the way how you know that your rice is clean is when, kind of went a little bit too fast there. The way how you know your rice is clean is when the water is clear and not murky. Ooh, do you guys want to hear like one of the most satisfying sounds? I love that sound so much. It's like the best sound in the freaking world. But this isn't an ASMR channel. I'm pretty sure somewhere on YouTube someone is doing rice water sound effects for like 3 hours that you can enjoy, so I would go check them out. I might actually go find them myself. If I find them myself, I'll put a link in the description. Okay, so now the water is looking pretty clear to me. I can see clear through to the rice. So now we're gonna bring the rice over here to the rice cooker. Now, this is one of the most crucial steps because sometimes I forget to plug it in. So it has a retractable plug, so you have to pull it out like that. Can you see that? Yes. Retractable retractable plug. So you pull it out as much as you need and you plug it. Can you see that? Yes, you plug it in right there. You put the rice inside like so, Are you following? Okay, close it. And then down here is the main menu. So here, this means white rice right here. This one means white rice fast cook. You want to do that one if you want your rice to be cooked fast. If you can wait an hour, press that one. And then this one is actually a really nifty timer. So if you turn it on, that means your rice will cook after 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, however much time you want to set it. But we're not going to do that today. So this button means cancel. So we're going to do fast because I don't know when my husband is going to get home. But I want the rice to be ready so that we can eat because I'm starving. So yes, so the rice is going to cook and we're gonna leave it alone. And when it's ready, it's gonna make a beep. Unfortunately, I cannot guarantee you when that beep is gonna occur because it's very random every single time. So yeah, that is how you make rice. Any questions?